Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Guitar. Myself Varun. In this tutorial, you will be learning the song Kanmani Anboda Kaadhalan from the Tamil movie Guna. So this video is for the Pallavi part, and another video I will be doing a tutorial for the Anupallavi part. Hope you can learn from my video. Thank you. The Pallavi will start from this note Kanmani Anboda. Second string, ninth fret. The note is G sharp. Second string, ninth fret. And next is second string, 10th fret. After that, second string, 12th fret. So that is Kanmani. Kanmani. So all these notes are in the second string, G sharp, A and B. 9th, 10th and 12th fret of second string. Kanmani. And next is 3 times we need to play the note B, 12th fret. Anboda. Next is Kaadhalan. So that is again all these notes are in the second string. So after this Kanmani Anboda Kaadhalan, that is the note 7, 9 and 10th fret. 7, 9, 10, that is the fret position. The notes are F sharp, G sharp and A. Kanmani Anboda Kaadhalan Nan. So that is so that Nan is in second string. So all these notes are in second string, as I already told you. Next the notes are G sharp, that is ninth fret. Nan. Tum, Eluthum, that is E and D sharp. Eluthum, that is E and D sharp. Fret position 5 and 4. 5, 4, 4. Next is Kadidame. So Kadidame is in second string. Positions of fret are 5, 9, 7 and notes are E, G sharp, F sharp. Kadidame. So we are striking at G sharp, then we are ending at F sharp. While at F sharp we are not playing. Okay, so simply we are moving the fret from G sharp to F sharp, like Kadidame. That is, see, I played here 2 times G sharp, that is 9th fret 2 times, then I slowly move the fret towards 7th fret, that is F sharp. So again we are playing next is so that is, see, all notes are in second string. The Pallavi part all lies in the second string of our guitar. Even you can play it in your third string as well, or even you can play the notes in third string, but I am playing all the notes in the second string. Okay. So that is fret number 5, 4. 5, 4, 5. E, D sharp, E. Then 9th fret, that is D sharp. Parkayil. Positions are 7 and 9. Parkayil 7, 9, 9. F sharp, G sharp, G sharp. Unne enni paarkayil kavitha kottadu. So say again repeating. Unne enni paarkayil. Again same E, D sharp, that is 5 and 4 fret number. Unne enni paarkayil kavitha kottadu. Again we are repeating. Unne enni. Oh, 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 Kanmani. There is that part. Oh, oh, Kanmani. That is oh, oh. So that note is position number 9 and 10. 9 and 10. That is G sharp and A. Oh, oh, Kanmani. So Kanmani already you know. Kanmani is in position number 9, 10 and 12. The notes are G sharp, A, G sharp, A, B. So the notes are already been displayed on the screen. Hope you can learn from my tutorial. Thank you.